The cyber threat, unveiling the potential damage and protection measure. In a world driven by digital connectivity, the power of cyber threats cannot be ignored. Let's delve into what cyber entails, the devastating damage it can inflict upon a country, and the essential steps to protect against it. Cyber encapsulates the vast virtual landscape where technology intertwines with our lives. It encompasses various malicious activities such as hacking, data breaches, ransomware attacks, and cyber espionage. This invisible realm poses immense risks that can cripple a nation on multiple fronts. First, consider the critical infrastructure that sustains a country's essential services. A cyber attack targeting power grids, transportation systems, or water supply networks can lead to widespread chaos and disruption. Hospitals struggle to function, businesses come to a standstill, and public safety is compromised. Protecting this infrastructure is paramount. To safeguard against cyber threats, investing in robust cybersecurity measures becomes imperative. Strengthening firewalls, implementing intrusion detection systems, and conducting regular security audits are vital steps. Additionally, training personnel to recognize and respond to cyber threats effectively enhances the overall resilience of a nation's critical infrastructure. In the financial sector, cyber attacks can wreak havoc on a country's economy. Picture the devastating consequences of a successful attack on banks or stock exchanges. Financial institutions crumble, economies falter, and trust in financial systems erodes. Protecting financial assets requires stringent security protocols, advanced encryption technologies, and constant monitoring to repel cyber threats. National security is a top priority. Cyber attacks aimed at defense systems, classified information, or military operations can have dire consequences. Ensuring the highest level of cybersecurity measures for defense networks, COND.